Hi all, let us take up the topic Kirchoffs laws and its applications. Kirchoffs laws are two equalities that deal with the current and potential difference of electrical circuit. These two laws were first described in 1845 by German physicist Gustav Kirchhoff. He gave two important laws which are widely used in all the electrical circuit analysis. The first law is called Kirchoffs current law. Second law is called Kirchoffs voltage law. Let us take up first Kirchoffs current law. The statement of this law is, in an electric circuit, at any instant of time, the algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a junction is 0. That is, sum of all the currents meeting at a junction is 0. Let us explain it. The junction A, let us see the figure there. The junction A has 4 currents, I1, I2, I3 and I4. Currents flowing towards the junction are taken as positive and all the currents flowing away from the junction are taken as negative. Then, according to Kirchoff's current law, we can apply Kirchoff's current law at point A now. At point A, the current meeting is equal to I1 plus I2 minus I3 minus I4 is equal to 0, or I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4. Next, let us see Kirchoff's voltage law. At any instant of time, in a closed electrical circuit, the algebraic sum of all the EMFs and the voltage drop are equal to 0. That is, sum of all the voltages plus voltage drops equal to 0. All the voltage rises are taken as positive and all the voltage drops are taken as negative. Here voltage rise means if you move from the negative terminal of the battery to positive terminal of battery, then we call it as potential rise or voltage rise. And if we move from positive terminal to negative terminal, we call it as fall in potential, which is taken as negative. When you consider voltage drops, if you move along with the direction of current flow, then it is taken as negative. If you move against the direction of the current flow, it is taken as potential rise and it is taken as positive. So, these are the sign conventions generally we use in the analysis of Kirchoff's voltage law. Let us consider the circuit here, which is consisting of two resistances R1 and R2. Now, here the voltage, this Kirchoff law, when we apply for the first loop, that is Vs plus minus I into R1 plus minus I into R2 equal to 0. Therefore, Vs is equal to I into R1 plus I into R2, or Vs is equal to I into R1 plus R2, or Vs equal to I into R total, where R total is equal to R1 plus R2. Kirchoff law can be applied to any of the circuit to find the currents flowing through those loops or mesh. These are the references. Thank you.